my little intro, I'm gonna be doing a very summery get ready with me. Now this look is for summer and I live in Minnesota and it gets very humid in the summer. So I'm gonna be going light coverage, kind of a light coverage you could say, but like a really glowy base. Honestly, I have an idea in my mind, but you know, I always switch whatever I'm about to do. So we're just really gonna see where this look takes me. I am getting ready tonight. I'm going out for my birthday. My birthday was yesterday. I turned 20, but my boyfriend worked all day and we also had our sand volleyball league at night. So we didn't have time to even go out or anything. So he's taking me out tonight. So I'm just gonna get ready for that. Yeah, and I just figured I would show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. I don't usually do get ready with me's anymore, but like I absolutely love these types of videos. So why not? Also, like I said, this is just a really casual video. I don't even have like, ooh, is that too bright? No, I don't even have like my professional camera. I'm just using my vlogging camera for this. We're gonna be starting off with a little bit of a glow. This is the Nyx Born To Glow liquid illuminator. This one is more of like a pink hue. I don't really like it. I kind of want to pick up one that's more of like a golden hue, but it does give you this really nice glow underneath. Like just looking at it already, you have this really pretty glow. I always like to put it all over my face. If this, do I even have any left? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna say I definitely should. I never use this. Hardly ever. Now I'm going to be going in with this primer. This is the No Pore Blem Primer by Touch and Soul. Then over that, more of my like T-zone, like right here, my cheek area, I'm going to be going in with this little, the Professional Benefit Primer. This is amazing and bomb, and I need to get like a full-size one, but I'm just too cheap at the moment. Thinking about that much. Rubbing it on my fingers. This one definitely gives you like more of like a not oily look, really hydrated, where I really prefer to put this one everywhere, and then the Benefit one like in my T-zone. Thinking about that much, taking like the same amount, putting that on my T-zone, forehead, and chin, and focusing it right there. I kind of like to stay away from primers on my nose, just because I feel like that really makes my foundation move throughout the day. So I just focus it on like the sides and my forehead. Going in right away. So when I meant like light coverage, I pretty much meant I'm just gonna be using concealer, not much foundation, but I don't know if I'm gonna use a little bit of foundation. I'm gonna just spot conceal right now. I have a little bit going on my forehead, and I'm gonna just go over my under eyes, go in with a Morphe Y6 brush and just pat that in. And then I think I'm gonna use just a little bit of my NARS Natural Radiance foundation. A lighter coverage, but still we want some coverage and like color in my face. Oh bitch, I just stabbed my eye. I have two of these, and the shade I'm gonna be using today is Fiji. This is darker, but it works like amazing. I think I'm just gonna be taking like 3 pumps, and that is not light coverage. I'll just be patting that around. I like this foundation though because it's definitely buildable. Like you can have a sheer coverage foundation if you want. Like it just depends on how much you put on it really. I'm gonna make sure I drag this down because my neck is so pale compared to everything else, and then as soon as I get like right to my chest, it actually gets dark again. Not even dark, I shouldn't say dark, but like a little bit of color. Okay, so I have my foundation on, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer. Again, you can do as full or light coverage as you guys would like. I feel like I just have kind of like a drier under eye, and it's more pigmented than normal right now. Again, I'm just taking my Y6 brush and blending this in. Okay, so next up, a lot of people don't really like fully set their face in the summer to get that like dewy finish, but I cannot do that. Like I have the biggest fear of having like an oily face, and I don't like that look. So I am going to be baking my under eye, my cheek, no, my under eyes, my chin, and my forehead. That was so hard. But I'm just using the Airspun Loose Finishing Powder, and I really pack it like on my nose, like the sides of my nose, because that's where I get oily right away. Like as soon as I step outside, I'm oily. And then really focusing it on my forehead as well. This is just a dry sponge, and I'm pretty much baking where I would usually like always bake. So I'm gonna be bronzing my face to warm it up right now because I just lightly wiped off the bake, and I'm gonna be using my butter bronzer and then also my Cover FX palette. This is the Perfector Face Palette, and what I love to do when I'm going for a bronzy look is mix these two. So this is the bronzer right here, and this is a highlighter in there. Absolutely love it. So I'm gonna first go in with the butter bronzer and just kind of like map out where I want contoured. which is all the normal places. I don't really need to map it out, but. And then this is just a BH Cosmetics like angled contouring brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but if you guys are interested, that is what it is. And I'm just like patting my contour or bronzer, you could say, onto my cheek. I don't really like to swipe it because I feel like if you swipe, you kind of like drag your foundation and everything else with it, and then I'll slowly blend in. So I definitely don't just drag right away. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my contour palette and just go in with that deepest contouring shade on my forehead and contour the perimeter of it. To finish up my like bronzy look, I'm taking the blush and the contour color in the same Cover FX palette, and I'm going to be taking it on a blush brush and I'm mixing both of them together. And I'm going to be dusting it over my nose and onto my cheeks. So it really creates like a sun-kissed, glowy look. And then you can always go in with a little bit more blush to help blend that out. Sometimes it focuses too much on the nose or like vice versa. Now I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows. I think like insanely light, and put a little bit of brow gel in them, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually filled in my brows like quite a bit. But I am going back in with the same palette. I guess I just really like this palette. And I'm gonna be mixing this brightener and the highlighter we used to begin with, and just taking a really flimsy brush, really lightly highlighting my face. I like this because it's not like insanely like a solid line. It's kind of like a messy line, and you get that really pretty sheen to your face. And then if you do want like it directly somewhere, you can just put it on with your hand or obviously another brush. Now I'm just going to be adding some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Hydrofuge mascara. This is waterproof. I hate waterproof mascara, but I haven't really had time to go get any new ones, so I need to do that. But I'm just putting this on, and then I'm going to be putting on like Ardell Wispy lashes, just something super simple, nothing over the top. I also need to pick up nicer lashes because I hate Ardell Wispy, but that used to be my go-to all the time, but now I'm just so used to like a big lash, I can't go without. So okay, moving along into the bathroom, I'm just gonna be like quickly, not even like fully straightening my hair right now. Ow. I'm taking out my clips because I do have my false lashes on now. They're kind of just like drying, and of course they decided to mow at 4 o'clock, so don't mind that. But I'm just brushing my hair out right now. My hair has actually been feeling really good. I've been taking like St. Tropica hair vitamins, you guys, and oof. Okay, so I pretty much just straighten like the top bits, and then I also straighten like my little baby hairs right here that kind of like just go everywhere, and that's literally it. This is my outfit right here. Shorts are from Fashion Nova. Top is I think from Lepsona, and then I do have like a little black sweatshirt that I'm gonna wear with it because this is a whole lot of midriff, and yeah, it's not really my thing because right when I eat I just get thick. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like the little sweatshirt, one sec. So this is from Honey Bum. I got this literally forever ago, but you can zip it up and it fits great. It goes to like right about here, so you have just like an inch or two of stomach going on, and that's it. You guys, these are literally my favorite shorts ever. They make my butt look insane. Like, who is that? And all those mosquito bites. But yeah, I'll show you guys, like I'll set you guys down so you can get like a full view of what I'm wearing. But overall, I think Lepsona, Fashion Nova, and Honey Bum. And then yeah, you guys just saw my entire makeup routine. It's super light, super easy. This is just what my makeup looks like right now, kind of glowy, really simple. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Again, I will show you guys like my full outfit here, but I'm just gonna hop in and say do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it. Let me know what you want to see next down below. Did you guys like my outfit? Let me know. Would you wear it? Maybe. I'd love to know if you would. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.